Have you ever felt the thrill of a car that roars louder than your heartbeat and grips the road like nothing else? Today, we're diving into three legendary muscle cars that didn't just drive, they made history. From speed and style to raw power, these cars redefined what it meant to hit the open road. Stay tuned, because their stories are unforgettable. 1 to 1964 Ford Mustang. Let's start with a car that changed the way America thought about driving, the 1964 Ford Mustang. Imagine it's the early 60s. Cars were practical, safe, and predictable, functional, but boring. Then Ford launched the Mustang, and suddenly, driving became exciting. It wasn't just transportation anymore. It was an experience, a statement, and a lifestyle. The Mustang's design was revolutionary. Its long hood and short rear deck gave it a sporty, aggressive stance. Add to that the endless customization options, different engines, colors, interiors, and trims, and the Mustang became a car that could reflect your personality. This meant that every driver could make it truly their own. And the best part? It started at under $3,500, making it affordable for the average American, something that had never happened with such a stylish, sporty car. Under the hood, the Mustang offered V8 engines that could roar like beasts on the highway. But it wasn't just power, it was the way the car handled. Smooth, responsive, and fun, it gave drivers a sense of control and freedom like never before. Imagine cruising down Route 66 with the windows down, engine humming, and people turning their heads wherever you go. That was the Mustang effect. Its influence went far beyond drivers. The Mustang sparked an era of pony cars, inspiring competitors like Chevrolet and Pontiac to create their own versions. Suddenly, the American car market was alive with fun, performance-oriented vehicles. The Mustang also became a cultural icon, appearing in movies like Goldfinger and even influencing music, fashion, and lifestyle. It wasn't just a car, it was a symbol of freedom, youth, and ambition. The 1964 Mustang proved that a car could make history by connecting to people emotionally. It wasn't the fastest or the most powerful at first, but it made driving exciting again. And that excitement is what created legends. The Mustang's legacy continues today, still thrilling enthusiasts with each new generation. 2 to 1969 Dodge Charger. Next, we move to the 1969 Dodge Charger, a car that blended brute power with unmatched style. If the Mustang was about charm and accessibility, the Charger was all about dominance. The moment you see one, you don't just see a car, you feel its presence. Its wide, muscular frame, sleek fastback roofline, and bold front grille are intimidating, demanding attention. What made the 1969 Charger legendary was more than looks. Dodge offered the monstrous 426 Hemi V8 engine, capable of producing over 425 horsepower, a number that sent shockwaves through the automotive world. This was raw, untamed power that could launch you down the road faster than most other cars could dream of. Racers loved it, speed enthusiasts craved it, and even law enforcement respected it. The Charger wasn't just a car, it was a statement of strength. The Charger also made history through pop culture. The bright orange Charger from the Dukes of Hazzard, named the General Lee, became an icon of rebellion and excitement. But beyond TV fame, the 1969 Charger pushed automotive design forward. Its aerodynamic lines weren't just stylish, they enhanced performance at high speeds. It became a favorite among drag racers and collectors, defining what a true muscle car should be. Driving a Charger was an experience unlike any other. The moment you press the gas pedal, the car came alive, rumbling with power, as if it had its own heartbeat. Owning one was about more than speed. It was about presence, audacity, and living life boldly. Today, Chargers remain highly sought after, with collectors paying top dollar for pristine models. This isn't just nostalgia, it's the power of a car that made history through style, performance, and attitude. 3 to 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS454. Finally, we arrive at the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS454, a car that represents pure, unadulterated muscle. If the Mustang was charm and the Charger was dominance, the Chevelle SS454 was all about performance, sheer, unstoppable performance. It's a car that embodies what muscle cars were truly meant to be. At the heart of this beast was a 454 cubic inch V8 engine known as the LS6. With 450 horsepower and massive torque, it could accelerate faster than most modern sports cars. It wasn't just fast, it felt alive. The car seemed to have a personality of its own, ready to surge forward the moment you touched the gas. Racers feared it on the track, and enthusiasts admired it off the road. But power wasn't the only thing that made the Chevelle SS 454 legendary. Its design was sleek and aggressive, with wide fenders, bold racing stripes, and a low, muscular stance that seemed ready to move even while parked. Inside, the interior was simple and focused. The car didn't need distractions. Everything was designed to enhance the driving experience, to connect the driver with the road and the engine. The Chevelle SS 454 made history on drag strips, leaving competitors in the dust. It became a symbol of the golden age of muscle cars, representing the peak of engineering and performance of its era. Even today, LS6 Chevelles are collectors' dreams, selling for millions at auctions. Owning one is more than just owning a car. It's holding a piece of American automotive history, a testament to innovation, ambition, and the pure thrill of speed. What the Chevelle SS 454 teaches us is simple. Muscle cars aren't just about transportation. They are about freedom, excitement, and pushing boundaries. They are machines that capture emotion, turning ordinary moments into memories, and roads into stages where legends are made. Conclusion. So there you have it. The 1964 Ford Mustang, the 1969 Dodge Charger, and the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 454, three muscle cars that didn't just hit the road, they made history. Each one brought something unique to the table. The Mustang with its charm and accessibility, the Charger with its raw dominance and iconic presence, and the Chevelle with its unbridled performance. Together, they show us that cars can be more than metal and wheels. They can be symbols, legends, and expressions of freedom. Which of these three would you take for a ride if you could? Comment below, because in the world of muscle cars, the stories, power, and legacy never die. They roar on, just like these legendary machines. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more updates.